Well, the Uber head of rides has just left the company. We're going to talk about it. Please thumbs up the video if you think drivers deserve more pay. We got a lot to dive into today. Uber is potentially, I don't want to say going out of business, but they're not doing too well. Their stock price is down. Retail investors, big investors agree that people are fed up with what's going on with Uber, and Amazon just entered into the food delivery space. Could completely wipe out Uber Eats, where, let's face it, that's where Uber makes a ton of money because they cut out the fuel surcharge for Uber Eats orders. If you're doing Uber Eats, if you're driving for Uber, you're doing Uber rides, and then you're, maybe at night you're doing Uber delivery while people order dinner, you ain't getting the fuel surcharge. So check your app, make sure you know that, because Uber didn't make they seem like they didn't really make an announcement with that. We gotta, look at Business Insider to get our updates. But listen to this, the Uber's head of rides in the United States and Canada is stepping down. He's leaving. This is a huge update, my friends, and potentially, really intense news because, well, I'll get into it in a second. But first, I want to thank our sponsor, Play Octopus. T-Mobile just bought this company, by the way, and they're sending drivers across the nation free tablets to start earning $100 extra per month. So get signed up right now if you can. It takes 2.2 minutes. And you can start earning cash next week. It's really fast. They are on top of it. It's T-Mobile, guys. Free data plan too included. So listen to this. Dennis Sinelli, head of Uber Rides business in the US and Canada, stepping down from the role, according to media reports. He's leaving the role of CFO of machine learning startup Scale AI. He's going to work at a startup. This guy, he's a top level executive, probably making $500,000 a year, $1 million a year. We all know the people who work big up at Uber, they make millions of bucks, while driver is making $10,000, $20,000 a year working full time. Yeah, you want to look at the books and say, well, who's really making the money at Uber? It's those top level execs. Honestly, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi should just donate his whole salary to drivers right now. Inflation's crazy and gas prices are through the roof. And not Gavin Newsom, what's his name? Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, he's laughing all the way to the bank. He's chilling. He's got millions of bucks in the bank. You think he really cares about drivers? He's got 50. I wouldn't be surprised if the dude's got $50 million, $100 million in the bank. You think he's up at night, stressed out? Oh, drivers are upset. Bro's got 50 mil in the bank. He's chilling. He could go buy a small island. He could go buy a $20 million mansion in Miami and just kick back for life. This dude's probably saving up money just so he can buy 3-4 mansions and so he can travel around the world. He's probably saving up for a private jet, his own private jet, so he can travel the whole world. Meanwhile, drivers are striking across the nation, and then he tweets on Twitter, I love it when everybody wins, about how 15,000 drivers are using the Tesla program. Like, that's that's everybody. Yeah, that's like less than 1% of all your drivers, bro. That's like less than 0.1. That's like 1 out of 1,000 drivers. Or maybe, actually, honestly, like 1 out of 10,000 drivers. There's over 1 million drivers in the United States. And he's like, everybody's winning. Yeah, bro. The people who have, anyways. Uber CEO, there's other top level executives leaving the company as well. So I don't think this is good for Uber, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about Uber right now, the state of Uber? Do you think they're going to recover? I hear people saying Uber's not going to recover after this recession. So thanks for watching, guys, and sign up for Play Octopus using my link below. And T-Mobile will send you a free tablet anywhere in the country. They should be there soon. They're expanding nationwide very, very soon. So you get on the wait list now in your city, and you can start earning cash next week in 2.2 minutes when you sign up. Thanks for watching. Bye now.